Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you an ITT 554, and this is Leroy's equipment from New Jersey. And he's got a letter with this telephone, a note, and he's talking about the bell does not ring, and then he's got an issue with the modular port for the handset cord. So what we're going to be doing is going into this telephone and repairing it for Leroy. We want to get his bell working, so we need to troubleshoot all that. He has a connection here on a line cord that he's using, and we want to get some spade connectors on that at the network. They're just stripped. And we also want to get this modular port adapter plug. We want to cut this line cord back and put a new adapter on there for him, a new plug, because it looks like he's had some issues here with the cord, and we want to replace that part of it. So we're just going to be getting into this telephone and repairing it, and we'll get some more video as we move forward, and then our final check after the repair. So we'll take a short break and be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this telephone. We're going to run through a little bit about what went on. We went ahead and installed our modular line plug for the line cord, and so we removed the bad part of the old line, and so that's been taken care of. We also cleaned up the network and removed a bunch of wire that did not need to be in the situation. Basically what this telephone has on the back is a plate, and it's a mounting plate. And so you have your backboard to the telephone, your base, and then you have another mounting plate. And some of the wires that were for the old connection to the line had been left in place but cut off. And so that was removed along with some other issues that we took care of. We went through the network and cleaned up the network and installed spade connectors where necessary. We also reinstalled the handset modular port, and it has a clamp on it now that's a hold, and we also have the back plate notched out, which caused the modular port to become loose, and it broke it, but everything's okay now because we have our mount on that handset modular port. So now what we want to do, and we also went into the bell and repaired the bell circuit, and that's been taken care of. So now what we want to do is our final checks. I want to go ahead and plug our line in, and we want to ring the telephone. I'm going to let that go a few times since that was the issue. I'm going to let it go one more time. Give you some dial tone. Now what we want to do is dial our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end at a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. So if you watch that red light on the analyzer, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. Every time you see that red light, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hello, hello. So we know that this telephone is ringing in on a ring cycle. It has receive, transmit, and it's dialing out, and our modular port for our handset's been repaired. Now what we can do is we can push this button on the switch box, and that gives us a line out, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone.
70-plus years. Call 234-0330. Today is Friday, February 7th. The time is 9:19. Current temperature 25 degrees.
Very cold today, partly cloudy skies, highs around 17, mostly cloudy this evening, a chance of snow near steady temperatures around 16, mostly cloudy Saturday, then becoming partly sunny, highs in the lower 30s.
Okay, we can call one other number. We can call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. Now, one other issue we want to take care of is I noticed in the corner, and it's not too bad of the body, it looked like that it might have happened in shipping, and there's a little bit of cracking going on, but it's not too bad. We're going to try to stabilize that. I don't know if that was there before it was shipped, and then, some of the little bit of the plastic that it was wrapped in kind of got into the cracks, or if that's something that actually did happen in shipping. It's not too bad, and we're going to go ahead and try to stabilize that up. And it's probably not really that noticeable when you have your phone mounted to the wall. So we'll go ahead and try to square that away and get that taken care of. But now that we know that this telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Leroy, and he can start enjoying this telephone again. And these 554s were really good telephones. That's why they've been around so long. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.